Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here I like to give tips and tricks on how to use my home decluttering app, Everspruce. But today I want to talk about something different. Today I want to give you tips on how I keep my personal closet clutter-free and organized. Before we get started though, I would appreciate it if you find these videos useful to go ahead and click the like button down below. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification to get notified every time I put out a new video. So I'm going to go ahead and get behind the camera, give you a quick tour, and then we'll go over the tips that I have found very helpful to keep my personal closet organized. So here's a quick tour. I have my shoes down here that are mostly sneakers and flats. And then here in the glass shelf, I have my handbags, and I've only kept a few that I know I can use for the summer, come fall and winter. And then over here, I have my jeans that I know I'll be wearing. And then I keep my sweaters, knitwear up here in the upper shelf, and all my sweatshirts and hoodies down here. And then in the drawers, I have just my basic tees all folded neatly. And then my workout gear are in these drawers down here, my leggings. And then down here, I keep my shorts. So those are pretty much the basics I have. And then over here, I have two long racks, which I have all my coats and blazers and jackets. And then down here are all my shirts that I have. And then on my rack over here, the main one, I keep all my summer dresses, and then my lightweight pants, some jumpers, and then in the back is more winter clothing that I won't be wearing anytime soon. So those are kind of tucked away. So let's go over the little quick tips I have to how I keep my closet organized. So my first tip is to color coordinate your items. So here you can see I have my neutral beiges, my whites, my blues, my grays, and my blacks. So I like to keep everything color coordinated. Same with my jackets. You can see pretty much my sweaters and my hoodies and sweatshirts, my summer dresses. I have some colored ones, some khaki, whites, some prints, my blacks, my blues. So you can see that having everything color coordinated kind of helps you keep an eye of how many pieces you have in those color tones. And then my second tip is once everything is color coordinated, I like to hang or fold items by their category or the seasons that they are associated with. Let's just do the whites, for example. So here are like tanks, short sleeve, some tees, and then we get into some longer sleeve and like a turtleneck. So I do summer to colder, so warm, cooler climates. And then I don't keep all summer together and all winter together with my shirts because I like to layer. So, you know, if I put a t-shirt underneath a sweater and stuff like that. So I will be using the stuff that you wear in warmer climates during the cooler climates as well, because I use those pieces for layering. So, and then here, like my grays, I have a gray tee, short sleeves, and then we go into knits, some cardigans. So they're color coordinated, and then I hang them basically by sleeve length. That's That helps me see everything and keeps it organized, and it looks neat from my perspective. And then my third tip is, which is a hard one, and I know it's difficult for some people to follow this rule, is if I bring a new piece in, an older piece has to come out. So one in, one out. So I always keep a little bag, shopping bag here, and then these are, some pieces came in for summer. So then these pieces are coming out. So that helps me maintain it neat and clutter-free, and then it doesn't get overwhelmed. Like when I have clothes on a rack, I like to be able to move the hanger, the pieces. I don't like it when it's stiff and I can't see the pieces. So this helps me. This is like pretty much at max capacity. And if I bring something in, it has to go out. So that third rule is a tough one, and some days are harder than others, but it really, really helps me keep my closet organized. I don't do that with shoes and handbags, though, as a disclaimer. I try to, but that's harder for me because those are the kind of things I'm collecting. So that's probably the hardest part for me for that rule, is my shoes and handbags. And then the fourth tip I would say is definitely once a month, try to just go through your clothes and pull out stuff you didn't wear. I do it probably around the first week of the month. I'll just go through my closet and say, I didn't wear that. I don't like that. That doesn't fit my style anymore. And I will put them in a bag like this. And then either the pieces will go to Goodwill, donation, or I'll give it to a friend who I think will appreciate the piece. Okay, so that was my quick little tour of my closet and 4 little tips on how I maintain my closet to keep it organized and clutter-free. So 1, color coordinate your pieces. 2, within the color coordination, sort everything by category and hang them or fold them by seasons. And then 3rd, if you bring something in, something has to come out. I know it's a tough one. And 4, once a month, once a quarter, try to go through your closet and pull out pieces that you just don't use anymore. It's like, why is it there? Do you see yourself using it? Do you really love this piece? So those are my 4 tips on how to keep your personal closet organized. And I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy organizing. Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.